Alright, so I ended up putting that third layer back on. I think it was just the way the position of the hinge was. So we'll give it a try. Alright, so looks like that was the sweet spot. You can see we are in there. We got no gap, just a tiny little bit down there. And if you look up here, pretty much nothing.
There's a gap down here too.
And then looks like tiny little gap at the bottom there. But we'll silicone that, and it's no big deal. It's actually just kind of missing its weather stripping. Alright, so we put three of the little 3M strips on there. And then we just put one up here. I still gotta tighten this one down. We're good. Alright, so I'll show you how it works. So now, finally shuts. Before it would just open up, like I would leave and just lock this bottom door, and I'd come back and it would be completely open, even though I locked this. So I call that a success. Alright, final product. See how it goes. This is with it dead bolted completely. No gaps.
Daddy, you're like fixing everything. Right? Left.
Yeah, I just had it. You know, you get to that point where you're like, alright, this stuff needs to be fixed.
Daddy, you are fixing stuff right to left.
Alright.
Daddy, what is that up there? What is that black thing? That's a centipede.
We got the longer screws in there. Just gotta change out this top whenever I get a chance. A couple of these screws are just kind of falling out a little bit, so we'll just kind of tighten them up a little bit. Just kind of normal wear and tear there.
Why's there a screw up there?
All right, let's see how this works. Alright, and that locks good. And then deadbolt. Yeah, we're good. Alright. Thank you, boys. Strong work.
I have a hat. You like my hat? Daddy?
It's a little hot out for that.
No, it's not.
Alright, guys. Let's go get some food.